Welcome to Research Rocks. If you want buy Osmo Pocket 3, so this video is very important for you. Before purchase the product, you should watch the entire video. After that, you should decide you want really buy the Osmo Pocket 3 or not. I am providing you many comparison of Osmo Pocket 3 like my iPhone 16 Pro Max, GoPro Hero 13. Accordingly, you should compare which product is the best and then decide the purchasing. I will provide you some of the key points which one is the best to recording the video and capturing some footage, so we can compare outside the footage, inside the house footage, and let's do this. So first of all, I just simply open this one and look at this here. This is the auto face detection feature is available. If I close this screen, look at this. Currently you are receiving this video frame for my Osmo Pocket 3, and this one is a face detection. By default they are providing, so you can use this gimbal accordingly, and the stabilization quality is amazing. Look at this here, the video frame clarity, and here the face detection tracking system is available, and that one is really nice. If I go here, one side is 80 degrees Celsius and one side is a 160 or 80 something, so you should round and record with yourself. And I purchased this one specially on creative combo, so I'm receiving this mic as well as specially the battery as well. So after using this battery, I can record much more hour extra if I am doing traveling video. One of the important point come here. If you close this one like this, within 2 seconds this one is a shutdown. Original product look like this without attaching this tripod. This is the very small, no one can recognize very easily. If you have GoPro, so similar kind of same, but this is a recognizable. This is a little avoid to recognize, and especially how you on this one, no need to press any kind of button. You just simply use this and turn it on. This one especially turn it on, and as well as the recording is the start. Even if you enable here face detection always, so the detect my face and then following me as well. So that is the beauty of this product. It's really nice. As my point of view, you can close anytime without pressing any button, and this device is set down within a 2 seconds. It's really nice. Inside this box they are providing us specially secure case as well, so you should fix like this. Look at this here, it's very nice to secure. So sometimes it's falling down like this, like this, like this, or like this, so your screen is not damaged. It's very easy, compact, and you should use in your pocket as well. Starting point of view, you just simply open the screen and recording is the start. Apart from that, it's not like you should always the recording like this. If you press this button long, so still you should record the video like this. That one is really interesting, like portrait mode or horizontal or short video, you should record like this. This is second battery, you can connect very easily and improve the look at this here. Remaining battery is 100% the showing, and after that you should record the video. Like now on this battery I can record here 1 hour 55 minutes, so that is really nice. First of all, finish the original battery of Osmo Pocket 3, and after that this battery is automatically connected here. This battery is 100% chargeable. So after connect this tripod not required to any kind of purchasing tripod. This one is really nice. You should click here, one click, and the camera position comes in this particular object or your face, and the following the face detection. We can go outside which types of footage we are receiving after recording this video, and after that you should decide you want really purchase Osmo Pocket 3 or not. So now outside my house I just start the recording. Zoom in and zoom out option is also available here. This is to zoom, and this is the lowest zoom as well. So this is the normal and lowest. I just simply record here some of the video, and now this voice comes here. DJI mic 2, I receive creative combo, and here the roadside area. So you should decide which types of how much noise you are receiving in the footage. Video quality is amazing. And here the face tracking feature is also available. Look at this here, the Osmo Pocket is tracking my sun footage. It's really nice. And now, so object, and so you can record such a footage of your loved one, your son, yourself as well. So this is the fully object tracking. During the tracking point of view, the green circle is activated. So such a voice or such a footage you are receiving, I just simply, and you should look at this here, flowers or plants, fabulous footage you are receiving now. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.